audacity to lie and to say that I gathered 25 bishops, gave them $10,000 each to pray for President Mahamadu to go another term.
Na Duncan Williams them no asonyum na osa na on the war afura wa win samana fudi nanim robi awrobo nkrofo nyina wie ya wo se wasakra sa sika na nto odi na mudi Duncan William no machia a wo mo na se so mo ya atofo a obi anim se odi kan kwa robre edi tuo edi nkrofo sika nyose sa sika ni twa.
I'm very upset, and I'll tell you why I'm upset. I'm upset of the foolishness of men. Foolishness. You are just a beginner. How long have you lived? How many battles have you fought? How many incurable diseases have you conquered? Have you conquered cancer before? That you are bluffing people who are survivors in life? And I said, what generation is this? Who are these people that are so transactional? You can't build relationship with them. You will know the difference. Today, I'm very upset, and I'll tell you why I'm upset. I'm upset of the foolishness of men. Foolishness. I couldn't sleep the whole night. Restlessness. I couldn't sleep. And I said, what generation is this? Who are these people that are so transactional? You can't build relationship with them. You don't return people's calls. You make promises, you don't keep it. Who do you think you are? You are just a beginner. How long have you lived? How many battles have you fought? How many incurable diseases have you conquered? Have you conquered cancer before? That you are bluffing people who are survivors in life? Masanta kunda salan within 72 hours. Dula isala aman sulung divalan kihan sulahana wahasalin dikatung. Interpret it 72 hours. Interpret it, then you will know the difference. You know the difference. That's all I'll say. Let their defenses depart from them. Let what is meant to be an advantage unto them become a disadvantage. Let their honors turn into dishonor, and let their favors turn into disfavor. Yea, let their access turn into scandal. Masalan kusan feli atunda kansulan. Let the table that favors them become a snare unto them. Let their defenses depart. Let them be disinherited by another, and let another take their office. Let them err at unawares. Let them err at unawares. Musala Kazila. Don't ask me who has offended him. Nobody has offended me. I've just been watching over the years. And I go on the internet, social media, people lie. They lie. Somebody had the audacity to lie and to say that I gathered 25 bishops, gave them $10,000 each to pray for President Mahamadu to go another term. You think I'm a kid? Go another term for what? The Constitution doesn't allow that. It doesn't. And if that is what I believe, I don't have to gather 25 bishops and give them money to pray. I can pray myself. And if that is what I believe, I can come out publicly and say it. I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you and your party. If I believe that, I will come out and I'll say it. And I'm entitled to my belief. You can't do me anything. But that is not what I believe. And that is not what he believes. So why are you setting me up? Why are you spreading lies? And there are people who, for whatever they don't even think. They hear, that Duncan, he's praying. What is wrong with you? Tell someone, say, you, who are you? Believing lies. You know what? I'm just going to try and stop, because the way I'm charged today, if I don't stop, it won't be good for somebody. When you are fighting for their future, they are rather fighting you because they think you want something from them. They think you need something from them. And it breaks my heart. It really does break my heart. Because some of you who think some of us need some, I don't need anything from you. That's the sad thing. You rather need me. I really don't need you. And it's a matter of time you will find out that I don't need you and God doesn't need you. So stop the bluffing. Tell to someone, say, stop the bluffing, stop the bluffing. Yeah, stop it. Stop the bluffing, because you think somebody needs something from you. You are a joke. You are a joke. No position is permanent. There's no position that is permanent. So stop this, your bad attitude. Just because you've made some 10 million, 20 million, 40 million, 50, what is all that for? It means nothing. You can lose it in a day. I've seen people with millions and they attack with a bad disease called cancer. And immediately they hear the report, they start diminishing and they begin to die, and their money can't help them. It's a matter of time. I've seen your kind and your type. Loda kusala kasala matayas. Awahasalun kilahu sulama hatayas. Who do you think you are? There's a president in one of these African countries. I went to visit him, and he was mishandling somebody. So I went to intercede for the person, and he was very upset. He said, we have to punish him. And I said, Mr. President, I understand, but show some mercy, because time changes. He didn't listen. He punished the person. Few years after, another president came into office. That new president is a friend of mine. And they went after him and his vice president. They came to Ghana here to see me, to intervene. And I have to take them to see President Akufo Addo. I'm talking about a president. You, who are you? And you are bluffing. Honorable, how long have I known you? Honorable Kwabena Agyapong, 46 years. You have no value for anybody. It's a matter of time. Malata kusalawata. Lahandu kasaland. Melutu kuhansa. Fahansatun kalindu basalaya. Let the wombs of tomorrow disadvantage you, that you may know that the Most High rules in the affairs of men. You know why I like this president and the wife Lodina? We've been relating for years before she became first lady. For years. And they are relational people. I don't like people who are arrogant. I don't care who you are. I'll stay away from you. I'm telling you. Because God resisted the proud. Pride people, I don't like them. You see the two of them? I like them. And I tell you, hear me, not because he's president. I'm just telling you. The other day I was telling, I said, Mr. President, I want you to finish your term early so we can go and play golf. Yeah, I said, I don't want to play golf with you right now, because people will think, oh, because he's president. I said, finish and let's go and play golf. Because outside of him being president, when you are with him outside of president, he's a very good human being. And the wife is also like that. Very good human beings. And the reason why I believe he will do well is because he's not a new president. He's been president before. He will do better this time around because he's been here before.
Being selective prosecution, arrest, and other things because of conform what TikTok and recently Abronye Yachino and I know somebody in the court. We executives need be commotion so now so internal elections is in the wire. Say Bawumia as will true challenge, person can immune boom. Or say one more so sikano. Our woman a boa party no. A you no hard work or yen 2016 or mudi we need power. And the Momobenya says sikano. No also crying will contribute to call to topic at bet 300 to sikani at your own also contribute to be a fine. See.
My man Shasi free NPP before I can say
selective.
I no cry because I just selective a yanka. I feel your markets but I coach you. Talk as or two, then so
I'll police in you.
Selective. So they are right. And yes, selective way you social media is here. Or monk for na hate speech. If I the way say Eda Menoka Senka or you be at coup or man crop.
Yeah.
That was why at Rian Champ 2 or man Apalu Abeka said your friend say
nkura na eden
one till omungo for so go zoom a year fancy comedy ni say na omo ka say o mampeni na o se ko wu ni ade ti selective yi wo ho sort as jaji bi we de ti omo futuo no na sa so numu ye they are telling you say bebre na gu ho also obesisa you can't tell me say what sorry anopa Abronye wo de si wo so say IGP in some can me repeat
yeah it's so
what did attempt today to the sense say for no reason
yeah
na yeah invite to what's it there me wa
salam
wako upe sisi connection is a new style of the
I know we I know we
sisi ya who dey go for set up private studios no
yeah I want
sisi wo be di atemu a no wa track o back o pese ko Canada waka ka choso pasala we tata o why na tata obi okromo wo ye tata ka le bia benya kwa kotena so ekromo obi aka Canada
yeah
esa de ne we will protect it ba ko di boni wo mu a don't expect say wo mo edi akire ni nyira no de bia me ka say the party ni nya akono ana o the party co oppositioner bu ni adwuma bia yo sisi o mu nyira chichifi o enti o sorry ade o mu pa se ka he bi beba no ma ko di akire dia nko benya media fo ye interview o mo no de achechire re that is all to it obi adu wo adwuma o so ti ase eno ntiro if you say the security authorities and the mrano enya adwuma so access to the lawyers omonya na omde the court so the law is what
the law
enti Abronye ene nkofo enti asiesa yamra ora Bawumia ne nsem ne omo campaign you see about 2 weeks ago on another platform that morning I'm in Ivan also Joy Prime na Abronye friend Awa Muhammad you see only facts nkwara bebre na ba media space a obviously before say baby no then we know what we are talking about the catch here say NPP no egu because the very foundation na emma kwa mesikasem emedi ihini wo mu no o ma say no se sikasem na ne de NPP leader and there was nowhere Professor Dubois ebetu abe the flag bearer of the party essentially go home e de kra yi kra ye ntwe obi more than 20,000 ho so ti ase so no sika anana NPP decide who Lisa Akufo there was no way because that enkoyi Akufo Addo the boy oh ya teza na babao ni masasi ani ya king enkoyi so ti ase but because of that in the party no that carefully educate political party biano e was said yes o members etuaduce and the more we are part of the cake by some say wenum eba be mu 2000 bebre na tumi nya sika hye omo so anomu say the only way betumi yi bebre frame say you best start to introduce sika into the politics of NPP and to the extent NDC because almost be copy eti sika be mu no omo na wa dwini nyina wo mu nyina no kakra omu pamo omu free party ni say anti omu tumi contest either to be a parliamentary candidate or a flag bearer of the NPP no you must be a millionaire ano mo dia yesa na bedru ubebu sa say me ora Bawumia bra fa no mi hu no
yeah ye nyina ye
oboko ye fake card na me o free Bank of Ghana yeah you bet you akọ Bank of Ghana ni akọje the salary ni calculate any Japan na Bawumia o capre he didn't have oba ye Nigeria resources etawachi 22,008 sika ekọ campaign bebre na ebe shell from there when did you NPP do say in opposition what's the what are your campaign amomu win 2016 me aduma me ye 2016 o ye mu half kasa kra na nimka kasa first no mo the gabby dey jira gabby or no can say no what to fuba kofo ye aduma look afoko crap system o mo di gu ho Kwabena Agyapong ya me money because ono after thought me so wa nya baw because ono no until we asenase For the first time I foko mobile no na sika ko constituency account so direct instead of say e be say region for so mo US can.
Okay.
Under the general economic outlook Satam obi at the sumu 4 years. How are you going to convince the person? Say on to Abama NDCBO. So the general to say before ya e buy your Japan no say before the buy and a party no e buy part 27 e buy when you hot time and over be trap was a wuska. Hey, na make us o might be serious about now. You investigate it. So oh chere say wuska. To investigate you the source of your money because oh you're the vice president of the land now. The only source of income aketue here but now say ke investigating clearly now you are don't feel one more no akọ Kennedy Agyapong so how did he get his money and akoye sika competition contest
serious
offering no so no about Brian so how did he get his money na wakọ educhum so ofura America ba se na de buy o buy na be dada Ghana for say west school kakraka bi America o go see no
o sa na enye no kro
o over so school bay tete ona mo kwa America ba sa na yet groma no be ka tre say NPP fo nyira ye sikafo data kuna do apreku ne se babaw o ska ka be jaw no school kakraka ba be o be di deputy minister of education Ghana Odo Benko, Odo Ghana got free in the first place. For you to come back. Then go ye. Baba be them who are bem. And Timamo fund and ye.
Yeah. I don't know.
What they are doing is to insult our intelligence, say. Omo o mind man one of kwamo medi ye nimro ah omunya sika obro omu nyansa say. Omunyina on the basis of this or say Ghana for a pamom. Now nobody is giving any credible message.
Yeah.
Nobody.
Me na me
told we so on the tier 3 million towards national conference. We so on the tier 500,000. We say Bawumia I'm tier 7.5 million. I mean how? Is that what the country is looking for? Makase enchekra ebeguto kojuto. By the 31st of January no. Na asekra. Esanse grassroots no baby obuko bi amehom. There is no enthusiasm. Oko bomo dia piska kakra mama no ma betra o de ahwe omani most of them say so hey now when you free power me menya hwe every day wasa be gina o da da bi wo tubi ko gina o say kakra bi go wo yo ko komate mo ma de baby papa kra da o say kakra bi go wo ye na NPP nti na akoko jisika puduo e de contract awanyen and that's all pen be class.
Yeah.
Because now pen be na moi, which is says carrot be yaduma. And amwa.
Pepe.
And the party no is in disarray. Share o person be able to franca ewo o party so. You are charging the person 4.6 million. That was the day na award me manso. Or no catch say I didn't know what I was about. I was hey. And don't know Afro Tigari. Kennedy Agyapong, pardon me, because look, make a file me your man. Me didn't got 100,000. And one of me issue a draft of 500,000. But 2 years a executive Akube catch as a director. We fee 4 million or not say a body pusa. And then was the development fee. And one of the deadline also. One could try different. And now me no kase matesa Kwabena Agyapong came. Say candy and wash.
What's been here?
Now, Kwabena tia be mo pa Kwabena wu tie ye. Wa busu afo du kro fo tie wu. E koye mistake fa 46 billion. E ko sa grow wem. Na konya scan we.
I don't call to man.
Kwabena le so onya 1% Kwabena
to man.
Now wa ko boss aka we. Ade ni mo hu ye why dey?
Wa twene ho.
Se enyini akakra odi e won tumi fese scan no. E ma mehim. Enti eyade a e deliberate yakọ opposition obedwino sika ho tie nyum firi we ne o sika no ne yenko na sei sa party obetu adom te be ka cho se buawi a na o ka se ti munya no mu no mo
innocent
yeah I think some now Debia is the same thing. NPP as a political party and you're ready. Say Obesuya there. Or the minimum party lose power over Tranchanya, you build internal structures a bit in your sustaining party in terms of credibility. Manfo who said the Nema Esiko. And even so by a contest against established rules of engagement, I hear say a bottom up approach now for convenience sake, obey any baby crana. Your message in as for what the air can near my time for some Nipana or present no should be individuals as Sabi and the Munyamne some Nimdi will come to bear. But we see a conversation now cause that's far now. Said na solo sika a money contest.
Yeah.
Na me na me sika chen when na me na me yes na me na me finance when na me na nipa ni nyina no so mu go na profile mo say answer na obi e be wura politics im no na ne sika sam yesan ko ya te say ebinum se no mu twi taxi e wo America na se for nti taxi na twi no America no mo da billionaire dey because ni mama for mu twi taxi wo America e bia wo kɔ no hokora ko bisa na so mpe $100,000 ma onya bi
$100
we no ka me da mata
$10,000
yeah politics fuya na nkrofo na mu a no mo de afa kwan bi so awi o man ni sika de be gina bi mo gina na mo di dwo mo num obe ko sa unya taxi na wutwi a ba ko wo me yese no no abia na America soldier for yi no America soldier for sika se na etua wa wo bia no abia na wakeche ni sika be na benya na ba kroma ka so ye billionaire. No, you see a chiro say your framework ne na sefo num nyina ye very weak ne obia sorry I do trim so president di oh no huna I think say Uncle Pentecost de king be ni na oh you is a president Uncle Pesofu be ni o baby na president agro na di so I say you chiefing the whole thing as agro be na edi you understand yeah obia wo do betimi aye wan kasa steady na ho ho a onye president de king be Sunday no about tie na gina Sunday na wo preach nyame asem na be boa no dan say aba na na so president de ono ha hwehwe ma president fatao. I think we need to get serious. And yeah, sana baba ye. Sa we ye wadwen say party no won chichiri ni ye ntoto ne ma mfa ne ma nsi ya. Amam for the bedi agro. And I'm sure say serious minds out there watching the NPP from a distance. Now no metie papa Kwame Mpiani ma na ye interview. He shocked say a party NPP omunim party of intellectual and na baba beduru say enti everything bi omoye bi abu abam enhye nkuran ne nasefo no an kwan na omonam so no I say you say bosom so obekun ade obeye bi obekun we ya no hwia enye they are not ready to listen to wisdom enti kwan na omonam so no eno na omonam so ya se we see emusuo kwan so a wona se ha ka na watu a wode koru kowu ya be stop it police ni cry stop won't stop it until some kowu no nothing will stop you and that's exactly what they are doing. So for me I'm not surprised kwan na omonam so no ehun awie ye no mbekwa omonsa beka and party no my so mo betwitwi fom na no utie omo youth organizers na se for radio so omo tese nsem omo kan kwa bizan se an NPP na me ba ne se na omo kisa nkrofo we ye omo executive na nsem omo kan to asumu nti I think say omo ankasa tena so no obo hu de ye kan ya ebetu omo for. And then on Abronye ne na se for no you see me I believe in your friend is saying yamu bia kwanya no nka na dwen ne na se for no but over the years sa na yamu bia ya but if he speaking no must also come with a certain responsibility. And I am not sure, say, Abronye didi, your friend saying, IGP atama, and unti no mkwache no, because the president declared to a president of did attempt. What I say. So, and yet attempt did Now, there is a criminal aspect of it, or alleges, there has been a pollution. So this is the your friend is saying, Obi order police for nyina bamba no. Na so timine NDC for kwashe kukuamu kwa Jessica endanger national security. That is the aspect people are not looking at. Because the whole IGP no on a police force no timi ko wura kukuam and NDC for kwa bribona. It means say he can do a lot of things about putting the country in danger. And who can some be responsible? Na who say some na who can who nyina so. Enya atem didie keke na say obi di IGP atema IGP me just so obi bedi na atema ka say na say onye okay a obetim di nipa na court enti enya atem didie asem na mom nsem na ewuwo wo na nsem akoso in the past cry na say ka aban na serious I say na no Kennedy Agyapong tape ya na make kan wasem yi ya be hye ate Duncan ya be hye hwan na say for no sa nsem we bia we can even reverse some of these issues. Because these are criminal verbal rhetorics that were in the past. Then as a forum, but nipa na can same way nyina for mu hodi. And I think say you see, in as much as I respect obia, yet here there be obia can argue. Now what say about transfer cars obia kwaka say yen withdraw da. Because sem na make no, I speak it responsibly. Medwene ho ansa na maka. And asem a minim ho we, me nka ho asem. Da bia wo ba obi timi sanu me say wo kwa akoka we me say menye breaking news. Nti sa open news dia ba obi a fa komo mo me breaking news. Me dia ne say me ba wo di ade ma me I'll analyze. I don't break news. Asem wo ha mate da but me nka ho asem because nyama dwuma no me dia ne say me analyzing them. What I say. So I think that these are some of the things that we need to learn. Because yentimi metna space no so make kan say bia mfa ye hu ni because baby e do na social media no bi ate so. Asem bi how kan wan kan here etimi trigger a wave of violence. Wan hwe here. Ebe mo man na kwakoto amenam. And you see these people are jokers. Do you know why? They forgotten say ye beto aba no NDC communicator bi wo branch organizer e wo Kaswa side ho kokan say ye fan say ombebu IG odidi IGP atem. And now, also threatening, sir, Papa, we are Greater Accra Regional Minister Kwaku Annan. Yes, Henry Kote.
Big Daddy.
That Abronye the prison for 10 good years. Or them for 10.
No, branches.
Yes, you're jailing 10 good years under MPP. So, after your marking, I didn't know your freedom of speech. But it must come responsible. You say, this is why I say answer about take a course upon yourself, not snatty. Now you sober reflection, not be some questions because this gentleman I make or them 10 years. 10 years so NDC aba, but we didn't know that so them. But now he was speaking for NDC. So in some now we can pay. Nyina so anyansa wo mna nipa kan bia ma. Enti Abronye se bi ni nsam hunu ni nkwase akeka ote nneema so na all kan oba. Enti obi ahu. And this is a guy over the years, you know. This is a name rising into prominence. And yes, as a man, Abronye kind of politics. And yes, I'm Kasa, we are kind of man for so. Yes, so. Can these people will even be mentioning them in our politics? Ghana, and you better do a point. I can't Kasa then. Now, man for a fans. Now, if we so, once what do you as a forum? The first time or the bar political space, yes, or Kochi Agyarko, yeah. That is the origin, you know. Now, the panel they win a shot here, he found the Kobe. That is the question you should be asking. But you have rewarded him as a party by giving him a regional chairman.
Yeah.
Regional.
Regional, MPP before 11 seats. Anna NDC or one. See, I attribute
as a kawan.
NDC or 11 or no. Where the bar?
Yeah. So these are the people. And in Nemana shall say a caution. Nena Safonum. Na you say Nipana Samna Wakano. You are here in some way you know so me say about TV so channel or Didi Mahama person at Tema. Yeah, president can decide to forgive you because at time there we a leader, you need to have a tough skin and so forth. But when you venture into a rema, what security implications are? I am not sure say Mahama Bakso be didn't attempt I'm not sure. What I say? Because we a leader, some of these things are some of the inconveniences that come with it. And President Mills and never more the Ukruma say. How the ordinary would call it, never more the no. So it's not about say we didn't panatem. Now, some now walk our criminal connotation. Our alleged bit me incited violence because yet your mind as a IGP could a quadja bribe. Now you know, Cressa Wokaya. Or China or Kojina command the police now with on Betieno. The authority will bring it to way. So I think that we must be guided in as much as I advocate people should feel free and speak their mind because I say way the church of mine. We must also know our limits. And you who can for say can sebno sebaya yanko kan sama ye ni hu nyina so na samba omfra ya ba ye hwan ni hwan ni what is so ye hero and na wo kwabai why a mute now or your friends will run the court to koba ni nyina because of the why judge ni could have given you bail but ohewa abraba we dey start here about doing that because sometimes you know it's not about peculiar case so until obinya asem na lawyers defend na ya kasa or first offender nanka de onye wo life previous nka de why the judge na tena so no hu de why nyina say wo nya papa.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.